There's just something about the Power Air Fryer to cook your amazing hot wings in this cooker. I seasoned it with some garlic and herb and sprinkled a little bit of parsley over the chicken wings. You need about 2 pounds of chicken wings, which are about 20 wings. I also used Frank's Red Hot sauce, which I watered down a little bit, Worcestershire sauce, thyme. It's dinner time, folks. Mrs. Dash, garlic and herbs, and a few drops of Tabasco sauce, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and this will become your sauce. You will need to spray the inside of your Power Air Fryer and add your seasoned chicken wings to the pot. Oh, it's going to make a glorious meal for me this evening. So, you will set your air fryer for 25 minutes at 380. You want to shake or stir your wings around every 5 minutes. I'm going to prepare this sauce that you will put your hot wings into out of the air fryer into this sauce and give it a toss around in the sauce and then plate it up. So I only added a few drops of the Tabasco sauce and a little extra of the Worcestershire sauce because I love the flavor of that. It called for 16 ounces of Frank's Red Hot sauce. I only used 12 ounces and I watered it down. So I used about 4 ounces and watered it down. But I didn't want it too overly spicy. Next, you will pour in your melted butter and give it a stir. Oh yes, glorious sauce in the making. I added a little parsley to the sauce for the hot wings, and then I thought that's not enough, so I added some more. While I was stirring, I thought I need a little bit of a side to go along with my hot wings, something light and cold and crisp. So I sliced a few pieces of celery because I was going to use ranch dressing for dipping of the vegetable. And while I wait on my own radishes to be ready for harvest in about 2 weeks, I thought I would slice a few store-bought radishes to go along with the hot wings. Oh yes, must give this a taste to try it. Oh my word, this is going to be good. So after a few minutes, the hot wings are bubbling away, and I have to keep checking them every 5 minutes, which isn't that bad. I was cutting celery, slicing radishes in between. It's really an easy, quick and easy meal to fix. So I decided instead of shaking it, because there were so many wings in there, I used a wooden spoon to just sort of move them around every 5 minutes and put them back in. You can't get any easier than this, folks. After the 25 minutes is over at 380 temperature, you'll want to raise your temperature up to 400 for 5 to 15 minutes, continuing to check your wings every 5 minutes or until they're crispy to your liking. And boy, they were crisping up beautifully. I was very impressed with this. When pulling out your basket, remember to have a hot plate to set it on, because the bottom of your air fryer is very hot and you wouldn't want to scorch your countertop or melt anything that might be plastic. So use a wooden tray or a glass trivet. So after the allotted time, the wings were ready to come out and take a dip in my spicy sauce. Oh my goodness. Look at those wings. They are happy, happy, happy. If they could do a dance, they'd be doing the chicken dance. So mix it up and give it a good toss in the sauce. And then very shortly you'll be ready to plate them up and serve your hot wings. Doesn't these look outstanding? Cut a line to squeeze over your hot wings. Oh my, this is the finishing touch. And I must say, if anything that you forget in this recipe, don't forget the fresh lime. Oh, it made it skyrocket. It was amazing. So serve these up to your family and friends. They will be very pleased that you did. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button and ring the bell so you will be notified of my next cooking video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.